Okay, I'm going to show you what they call a bear market, okay, pattern, identifying that this market wants to go lower. Let's begin. First of all, if you go and take a look at this chart right here, okay, whoops, sorry about that. Here we go. If you go look at this chart right here, you can see the problem they're having with the market. The market has no more QE, so they can't get these guys to break out. Every time they go to break out, right? Every time it goes to break out, it fails, right? These are failures. But here's the failure you look at here, and take a look at this. These are all failing. Why? Because there's no more QE. Just for a quick look, if you take a look at this guy over here like this, see this market rallied. I'll show you right here. When this market rallied around 54% after it came down in 2018, right there, and this market rallied after it came down about 30%, 123%. These rallied because they had quantitative easing, free money. It's called QE. It stopped. That's why this market can't rally. Because they don't have QE anymore, and because that won't push this market up, you've got to watch this pattern right here. If this, see this high right here? See how we went up to this high and then came down. Went up to this high, came down. Went up to this high, came down. We're back up here again. If this can't break out here with good volume, you got to use this peak right here. Not only does it have to break out, it's got to hold for 3-4 days, okay? But if they can't get that to break out, and this comes back down and breaks that yellow line, the 50-day and the 200 back down, and then it's going to be in deep trouble. If it breaks out through this low, takes that out, you're going to see the market. It takes this. If it breaks this low right here, you're going to see it go down maybe another 10%. If it takes this low out, you're going to see it go down another 30% at least. So this is a bear market pattern. Failed high, failed high, failed high, and we're in the middle of another, hopefully, failure. These are failed breakout point rallies. See you in the charts.